Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a Cloud AI account. So first thing what you need to do is visit the cloud.ai website. Now here on this website, you will choose the method how you want to sign in. So you can use continue with Google, or you go with your email here and then continue to the password and so on. I will go with the Google, so click on it. This will open a window where you select your email, and just like that, we are in. So this will be basically the way that we get to Claude.ai chat, basically. Just like that. Now, if you go with an email, Um, you will type in your email there, and then you will need to find the verification code, which will be sent to your email that you put in. Now, as you can see, so from here we will sign in to Claude AI, and this will be it basically. So we have successfully logged in, sign up into our uh, Claude.ai profile. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.